Quality food, quality life. Learning about quality food, quality life. Animal husbandry. How are animals useful to man? Many animals are useful for man in different ways. First, cows and buffaloes give milk. Bullocks, camels and horses help in transportation and in farm work. 2. Cats and dogs are pets. Dogs guard the house and cats kill rats. They also give company to man. Three. Sheep and goats are sacrificed for meat. They provide us wool. Fourth, hens and chicken are used for meat and eggs. Fifth, fishes kept in aquaria make a good recreation. Fishes from sea and fresh water are caught for food as they are very source of proteins. Silkworm, lark insect and honeybees are some of the useful insects as they provide us with silk, fiber, lac and honey respectively. Seventh, various products such as leather, hair, fur, etc. are also obtained from animals. The branch of agriculture which deals with the feeding, shelter, health and breeding of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. It is the scientific and systematic management of the livestock. Animal husbandry practices include proper feed and clean drinking water, proper shelter, proper methods of breeding, prevention and cure of diseases. Cattle farming in our country is practiced mainly for production of milk, agricultural activities like plowing the field, etc. Cattle farming. Indian cattle mainly belong to two different species. They are Bos indicus or cows and Bos buhalis that are buffaloes. Milk-producing females are termed as milch animals, whereas the male, which are used for farm labor, are referred to as draught animals. High-yielding breed of cattle are developed as they provide us with greater quantities of milk. The hybrid varieties of animals are high-yielding breeds with tremendous resistance to diseases. Approximately 5 to 6 liters of milk can be procured from an Indian cow per day. On the other hand, the new hybrid variety yield nearly 10 to 12 liters of milk every day. The Lai Kandhari, Devani, Kilari and Dangi breeds of cow in Maharashtra have been selected for hybridization at the national level. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet containing all the food constituents such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins in the right proportion for the healthy growth of the body. Why do human beings and animals need a balanced diet? Human beings and animals need a balanced diet for growth, health, prevention from illness. Domestic cattle should be provided with proper nutritive diets. The feeds must be rich in basic nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. The diet should also provide them with ruggage, that is, fiber and enough quantity of water. Besides, they should also be supplied with certain feed additives rich in micronutrients. This would promote the health and increase the milk produced by the dairy animals. The shelter of the kettle, that is, the kettle shade, should always be kept clean and dry. This helps in maintaining good health of the animal, which in turn helps the producing high yield of milk. The kettle shade should also be roofed and well ventilated. These domesticated dairy animals suffer from a number of infectious diseases, which can hamper milk production and sometimes prove to be fatal. The diseases of cattle are caused mainly by microorganisms like bacteria, virus or fungi, or maybe sometime due to the attack of parasites like some worms. Cattle are vaccinated against many major viral and bacterial diseases. Poultry farming. Eggs and meat of birds are a rich source of proteins and vitamins. Birds like fowl, chicken and ducks are reared for the purpose of eggs and meat. This is known as poultry farming. In a poultry farm, two varieties of birds are reared. One, layers for laying eggs, and second, boilers for meat. Hens, which need less food and would lay more number of eggs, are selected for breeding as layers. White Leghorn has the capacity of laying nearly 200 to 250 eggs annually and need just 125 grams of nourishing feed every day. Hens which are reared for meat are giving protein and vitamin-rich feeds to increase their weight, especially of their flesh. Foreign breed of hens like Rhode Island are reared in Indian poultry farm as boilers. Appropriate vaccination programs protect them from relevant diseases. Pisciculture. Activity. Have you ever been to a fish market? Identify or name some types of fish sold there. Fish market is the place where different types of fishes are sold. In Mumbai, various marine fishes are marketed. Some of the popular fishes are pomfret, paplet, black pomfret, halwa, seerfish, surmai, Bombay duck, bombil, ladyfish, mudushi, eel, worm, ribbon fish, vakti, sardines, tarli, other marine organisms such as prawn, kolambi, oyster, kalwe, bivalves, tisria, etc. are also sold in fish market. Some freshwater fish like rohu, katla, mrigal, etc. are also brought to the fish market for sale. Another major source of food for mankind is fish. Rearing fish on a large scale is called fish farming or pisciculture. The place where fish is reared on a large scale is known as nursery or hatchery. The natural hatcheries are ponds, lakes, canals, etc., where the eggs of fish are introduced. Fast-growing varieties of fish are developed through crossbreeding. The crossbreeding is done by first studying the characteristic feature of the fish and then selecting the ideal ones for crossbreeding. Culturing of fish, pisciculture, is sometimes carried out in combination with a plant crop. We all know that crop of paddy requires a lot of water, which remains collected in the field. This water in paddy field is used to rear fish. Fish caught from the sea, ocean, estuaries are called marine fish. They are caught by using fishing nets from special fishing boat or mechanized boats known as fishing travelers. Beekeeping or apiculture. Honeybee is the insect which provides us honey, a nutritive food. Honeybees are commonly seen flying in the garden, over the fields and in forests. They build their nets, called hives, on tall trees and even on tall buildings. The technique of rearing honeybees at a commercial level for the production of honey is termed as apiculture. They are reared in a rectangular containers called as apiaries. These containers have frames arranged inside them. Bees build hives on these frames. Compartments of the hives are known as honeycombs. Honeybees, the worker bees, collect nectar for the flower and convert them into honey. Another useful substance obtained from the bees is the beeswax. It is a byproduct of bee activities. Bee wax is used in manufacturing candles and is also used in various medicinal preparations. In our country, farmers are encouraged to rear bees in such apiaries put up their fields. Khadi and village industries commission and various agriculture universities help the farmers in setting up such apiaries. These organizations provide the farmer with necessary guidance and also help them financially. Since beekeeping needs low investment, farmers accept it as additional income generating source. The species of honeybees used in apiaries are Apis that is, Indian bee; Apis dorsata, that is, the rock bee; and Apis florae, the little bee. Honey is nutritive food which is absorbed into the blood very easily. It is used as a medium for administrating drug, especially the Ayurveda system of medicine. The concept map shown below. Let's have a look into this map. That's all in this lesson. Learning is fun. Have a nice time. Keep learning. See you.